Pagod ka na ba? Deadlines, exams, pressure. Walang tulog, walang energy, walang gana. Wait, water break muna tayo. Healthy body equals healthy mind. Take care of yourself. You deserved it.